Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a theoric referent. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, a theoretical referent is an understanding tool. It got the following characteristic. They represent a fundamental element for the beginning, development, and completion of any research project. Due to their role in guiding and inspire the research, they serve as an input to interpret the result obtained. They are related to the scientific research, not only in the areas of the exact nature science, but also in the areas of human science. It is composed of different theories, concepts, assumptions, and case studies that have been represented in previous research of the desired topic of study. So when we talk about a theoretical reference, it's very important because it really allows us to have a starting point, because any research doesn't start from nowhere. It has to have a specific development and really allow us to understand and know from where are we going to begin. Before we start, if you like our channel, if you like what we do, please subscribe. It really helps us a lot to keep growing. Give us a like, turn on the bell. If you want to give us a thank you, you are more than welcome to do that. Okay, so when we talk about a theoretical reference, we start by researching for papers, books, documents. I know that that's a lot of information, and that is why we have multiple resources. We can have some other, even videos, websites, ebooks, but we have to have a strong, solid base, and we start looking for information that is related or could help our development. So this is very important because a lot of times we are looking for something that is extremely related, and it doesn't have to be always like that. It's really related about the objective of the research. So we can have different sources, and we can read, and we need to start analyzing. When we get that, we start ordering and we start thinking. And that process is the analysis. The analysis is extremely important because it really allows us to start understanding what we're really looking for and what is really reliable, which sources are good, which ones are not reliable. And all of that is extremely important because it really let us think. When we make this process after analysis, we start selecting. It means define which of those elements are gonna be in the theoretical reference. After that, we start writing a document. The idea here is that we have quotes of the papers, books, or any kind of source that we got, and we start analyzing and making insights that are extremely important to the research that we are doing. One of the most important things here is that sometimes people just copy and paste. That is not a theoretical reference. The idea here is that if we put something in our document, it's something that is really helpful. It's something that it really allows us to have a better understanding of what we are doing. So that is something really meaningful and really allow us to think in a different way to improve the development that we are making. As a conclusion, we can say that the theoretical reference must go in the theoretical framework. They can be one or several depending of the type of project being developed. That is something very important as well, because you can have many different kinds of research. And depending of what you are doing and what you are looking for, you can have one theoretical reference, two, three. It's really up of what you are doing. It's different to start working in something that is related to medicine, that is something of related to humanities. This tool must have a clear and tangible contribution to the project. That is something very important, because it's not just to quote and put in a document. No, it has to have a very specific contribution and why you put it over there, why you think that is something meaningful and it really help us to make a better project. Thank you so much. I hope this video is a big help for your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every week we got new video. Our Udemy courses are already available in the description of this video. You can find the link. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.